Assalamualaikum guys, if you fell in love with the Pixel launcher right from the start but unable to figure out a way to get the goodies it comes with you on your Android phone, we have you covered. In this video we have a selection of Pixel launcher clones that are as good as the real launcher, but you'll be surprised that some might even be better than the stock version. So what you have to do is to click the like button, hit the subscribe button and enjoy the video. The first launcher we have in our list is Customized Pixel Launcher. The Customized Pixel Launcher, otherwise simply known as CPL, is based on AOSP Pixel Launcher but includes expanded functionality and customization. While trying out that, I'll admit that it's one of the best, if not the best Pixel Launcher clone outside the usual stuff, and once installed, you'll be quick to click. What's even more interesting is that you get the app for free and it comes with no ads. No ads and free. What you need more to subscribe, man? However, you won't find it in Google Play Store, but we have the link to the Epic version that can be installed manually on your Android phone. Check the description box. The next launcher we have in our list is Launcher Launcher. Like CPL, Launcher prides itself as the launcher that brings Pixel features to the masses. In fact, the developer of CPL has acknowledged the support offered by the launcher team, but it is the latter app that has made it to the Play Store. Whether you want notification doors, adaptive icons, app shortcuts, sweeping right to open Google Now cards, sweeping up from anywhere on the home screen to open app drawer, sweeping down to open on notification center, and ability to customize these options, the Launcher Launcher has them all. The best part of this app is that once installed, you get to enjoy Pixel Launcher features on your Android phone without even touching anything. Since Launcher Launcher is still work in progress, the developer knows that more feature will coming in soon. Even better is the promise that the app will always remain free and open source. I created a video on top 5 best launcher and that was one of my picks too. If you want to check it, then click the icon, you'll find that video. Another impressive Pixel launcher clone is the Flick launcher, which is available for free download by the Google Play Store. Once installed, you will be getting all the Pixel launcher features to your Android phone, including automatic night mode, app shortcuts, quick app search, and so on. Like many other third-party Pixel launcher apps, Flick launcher also comes with plenty of customization options and gesture support. Although free, you will be better off going pro in order to enjoy the full-blown features of the launcher. But be warned that both versions are still in progress. The next launcher we have in our list is Rootless Pixel Launcher. I named that as RPL from CPL. Easy to say, right? As the name suggests, the Rootless Pixel Launcher is one that gives you access to Pixel Launcher exclusive features without the need of rooting your Android device. Developed by Amir Z, a recognized developer on XDA Developers and a notable contributor to CPL Customized Pixel Launcher, the Rootless Pixel Launcher is a port that not only brings Pixel features to Android phone but also tablets. Besides the Pixel Launcher features, Rootless Pixel Launcher further add exclusive features such as app suggestion based on the number of clicks in the app drawer, round icons, centered screen pop-ups, ability to resize all apps list when opening the keyboard, and many more. The latest version is 3.5 and you won't get it in Google Play Store, but an Epic file is available by the link below. The next launcher we have in our list is Lean Launcher. Lean Launcher is another one of the newer Android launchers. It provides a healthy dose of Android minimalism with support for popular newer features that includes notification doors, app shortcuts, icon shapes, Google Now Pin, and many more. The app also comes with some lightweight customization features, a double tap to lock features, and more. This one is relatively new, thus there are probably some bugs that still need worked out. However, even considering the newness of the app, it's still really good. It's also entirely free, so give it a try. Of course, you can't use all 5 launchers at the same time, but you can as well try all of them and find which one best suits your preference. One thing that will stand out though is that all mentioned launchers are the best Pixel launcher alternatives you can get beside the usual option, that is Nobuy and Action launchers. I already reviewed them on my top 5 best Android launcher video. Just click the icon, you'll find that video. So comment down what's your favorite one and has it got enough to make you switch from a custom launcher like Nobuy and Apex to it? Comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you wanna watch my other video, click on the right video. I'm your good looking, probably handsome host Farjaman and you're watching App Workshop. Bye bye.